Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. A closer look at cooking tips, meal ideas, and balancing skinless foods with whole foods. When people talk about skinless food, they usually mean things like chicken without the skin, fish with the skin removed, or fruits and vegetables that are peeled. It sounds simple, but the choice to eat skinless food can come from many different reasons. Some people want to cut extra fat and calories. Others do not like chewy skin or greasy texture. Many parents find skinless food easier for kids to chew. Some people have health or digestive issues and feel better when skins and peels are off. This video breaks down what counts as skinless food, why people choose it, the upsides and downsides, and how to enjoy it in a smart way. By the end, you will have clear ideas you can use in your own kitchen and daily meals. What is skinless food and why do people choose it? Skinless food sounds like a diet buzzword, but it is really about a simple habit. It means you eat the inside part of the food and remove the outer layer, peel or shell. Some people do this for flavor or texture. Others do it for health, weight loss, or to calm a sensitive stomach. Understanding what counts as skinless food makes your choices easier and less confusing. Simple definition of skinless food with real-life examples. Skinless food is any food where the outer skin, peel, or shell has been removed before cooking or eating. Here are some common examples. Animal foods. Skinless chicken breast or thighs. Turkey without the skin. Fish fillets with the skin removed. Skinless hot dogs or sausages sold in packages. Plant foods. Peeled apples or pears. Peeled potatoes and sweet potatoes. Carrots without skin. Cucumbers without peel. Some beans that have had their skins removed. Skinless food can be animal-based or plant-based. Sometimes we peel or trim it at home. Other times, the food company prepares it for us and sells it ready to cook. Common reasons people switch to skinless meats and produce. People choose skinless food for many different reasons. Lower calories and fat. The skin on poultry holds a lot of fat. Removing it cuts calories and saturated fat, which can support heart health and weight loss goals. Texture and mouthfeel. Some people do not like chewy skin, gristle, or the rubbery feel of some peels. Skinless food can feel cleaner and easier to chew. Easier to bite and digest. Young kids, older adults, or people with dental problems may do better with soft, skinless foods. Digestive comfort. After stomach bugs or gut issues, rough skins can feel harsh. Skinless foods can feel gentler on the belly. Kid-friendly meals. Many kids prefer chicken without skin or vegetables that are peeled, at least at first. When doctors or diets suggest skinless foods. Health experts sometimes suggest skinless food as part of a plan, not as a cure. Situations where this may happen. Heart disease or high cholesterol. A low-fat diet often includes skinless chicken or turkey, since they have less saturated fat than meats that keep the skin. Gallbladder problems. People with gallstones or after gallbladder surgery may be told to cut fatty foods. Skinless meats can make meals lighter and less greasy. Recovery after surgery or stomach issues. After certain surgeries or stomach bugs, softer, low-fiber foods are easier to handle. Peeled fruits, mashed potatoes without the skin, and skinless meats may fit better. Weight loss plans that focus on lean protein. Many simple weight loss plans use skinless chicken, turkey, or fish as main protein sources. Each body is different. Your own doctor or dietitian can guide you on how much skinless food makes sense for you. Health benefits and drawbacks of eating skinless food. Skinless food can be helpful, but it is not perfect. When you pull off skin or peel, you change more than just how food looks. You usually change calories, fat, fiber, and even how full you feel after eating. Cooking methods matter a lot too. How skinless food can lower calories, fat, and grease. In many animal foods, a big part of the fat sits in or right under the skin. This is especially true for chicken and turkey. For example, chicken thigh with skin has more total fat and more saturated fat than the same piece without skin. Skinless chicken breast is one of the leanest meat choices in most grocery stores. That completes the full guide on how to enjoy skinless foods while keeping meals healthy and satisfying. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.